Hello dear students, I welcome all of you to lecture 4 of Topology of Matrix Spaces, Unit 2nd, Sequences and Complete Matrix Spaces. In last 3 lectures, we studied definition of closed walls, closed sets and properties of closed sets. In today's lecture, we discuss about limit points and derived set of a matrix space. So we start our lecture with definition of limit points. Today's topic is limit point and derived set. First definition of limit point. Let XD be a matrix space let capital A is subset of X a point P belong to X is said to be limit point of A if every open ball centered at P contains a point of set A other than P. Okay, this definition tells that X to be a matrix space and A is subset of X. A point P belong to set X is said to be limit point of A if every open ball centered at P contains a point of A other than P. Okay, and geometrically we denote this as because this is a matrix space X, this is a matrix X in between this is a set A which is subset of X. This is A, which is subset of X. Suppose this is a point P in X. Then we draw a circle about point P we draw a circle okay. We draw, oh, this is open ball, this is point P, and this is radius R. Okay, this open ball, this is open ball about P with radius R. This open ball contains a point X, which is a point in A. This is X, which is point of A. Okay, here suppose this is X, which is in A. Then we call P is the limit point of set A. Okay, we understand. In other words, for every r greater than 0, there exists a point x not equal to P such that x belong to open ball about P with radius R intersection with A. That is, x is a point which is in open ball about P with radius R, and also it is a point of set A. That is, x is a point which is both in open ball about P with radius R and set A. That is, for all r greater than 0, open ball about P with radius R except singleton set P, point P, intersection with A, this is one set, intersection with set A is non-empty. This set is non-empty. Second, definition of derived set. the set of all limit points the set of all limit points of set A is called derived set of, and it is noted by capital D in bracket A. Derived set A is a set which contains all limit points of a set A. This set is known as derived set. That is, derived set is a set of limit points of a set A. This is the definition of derived set of A. Now we see some examples of limit point and derived set. Examples: find the limit points of the following subset of R with the usual metric. And also find their derived sets. First, set of natural number n. Second, z. Third, q. Fourth, set 1 upon n such that n belong to n. Five, set of 1 upon 3 raised to n such that n belong to n. 6, set of 6 set m plus 1 upon 4 raised to n such that m and n belong to set of natural number n. This is the example. Solution. Solutions. First, n is equal to set of natural number. Suppose x belong to R, be any real number. We will prove that x cannot be a limit point of set n. N is subset of R. Here n is subset of R. Okay. Suppose x is element of set R, be any real number. We will prove that x cannot be a limit point of set of natural number. How this is proved? So we take some steps. That is, we have to show that open ball about x belong to R not contain any point of set n. This is the solution of our problem. Okay. In figure we show that suppose this is a real line, a set of reals. We take, okay, suppose this is 0, 1, 2, 3, and this side -1, -2, -3, up to so on. This up to so on. In between this, suppose this is a point 1/2 is equal to 0.5. This is 0.5, and we draw open ball about this set, this point. Okay, we draw one open ball about this point P. This is a point X. This open ball does not contain any point of set n. Set n is set of natural number. That is, this open ball does not contain any point of set n. Therefore, this X is not a limit point of set n. We prove this by theoretically as follows. We will produce an open ball centered at X which does not contain we will produce an open ball centered at X which does not contain a natural number other than possibly X. For X belong to R, there exists small m belong to n such that m is less than X less than m plus 1. Graphically we show this by This is M. This is M. This is a point M plus 1, and in between this we get point X. Okay, this is a geometrical figure of X. Let R is equal to minimum of set X minus M and M plus 1 minus X. Suppose this X belong to set N, then the interval X minus 1 half to X plus 1 half contains only natural number X and hence open ball about X with radius 1 half excluding point X intersection with N is empty. This set is empty. Except X, there is no points which is a natural number. Therefore, this set is empty, and this implies that X is not a limit point. Suppose this X not belong to N, then the interval X minus R by 2 to X plus R by 2 does not contain any real number. Or any natural number. This implies that open ball about x with radius r by 2 except singleton x intersection with a or intersection with n is empty. This implies that no real number is a limit point of n. This implies that derived set of natural number n is empty. This is the solution of our problem. Okay, we understand. If you not understand, then I try to explain it. So this is a real line. This is a real line.